Maintaining a nice yard takes a lot of work. You have to mow the grass regularly, keep the edges trimmed, fertilize regularly, and lots of other things. But all that work can be totally fun and worth it. When you go outside, you can look at your lawn with pride and say, "Yeah, I did that." For me, taking care of my lawn became a hobby. We started our lawn from literally nothing, and today, it looks pretty good. So subscribe to my channel and follow along as I work on projects around the lawn and yard to reach the ultimate goal of neighborhood domination.